This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pollen filter renewal. Open the passenger's glove box, then prise the stay from the plastic peg. Release the lugs at the front edge, then gently pull the glove box rearwards. Unclip the filter cover from the heater housing. Slide the filter element from place. The arrows on the edge of the new filter element must point rearwards. Insert the filter element into the housing. Clip the filter cover back into place. Engage the hinges and refit the glove box. Push the stay over the plastic peg and close the glove box.